was really about the story itself. So, the story is king. Inisip ko talaga kung ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko kapag nagbabasa ng script ay kung sincere ba yung message ng writer, yung message ni Derek. Yung character ko ba ay maayos yung magiging boses niya sa manonood. Tama rin ba yung gagampanan ko? Tama ba yung mensahe na gusto niyang maipahiwatig? And lastly, the whole film itself, the whole message itself of the story, really meant for society to listen to. And also in terms of characters also, I always try to think, is this the story that I should tell? Kasi marami din mga pelikula na may i-offer sa akin, pero parang hindi bagay sa akin, parang may mas nararapat pa para doon. So yun yung mga naiisip ko. And then the second question,
Sana pala ganun ginawa ko pala.
when achieving my dreams, paano yung mental health ko, I think it's what Barboys will also tackle. And which Barboys also tackle in Barboys 1. Choosing the right people, the right circle to be with you. Kasi mahirap yung lagi kang umaangat patungo sa dream mo.
Okay lang, hindi ako mahilig sa good.
Na hindi mo na nakikita yung ground, yung floor, yung earth, everything there. Matatakot ka kapag umaangat ka. Mas lalo ka matatakot mag-fail. Kasi mas tumataas na yung drum mo. And then I realized that when I chose the right people with me, doon ko ma-realize na if I fail man or if I succeed, I would still be the same Terry Malvardo then either way. So hindi ako mapapressure kung magsasucceed ba yung certain goal ko or not, for as long as I still am with the right people who hold me down, ground me.
Emilio?
Hello po.
Hi, Emil.
In terms of choosing projects, since bago lang po ako, 1 year pa lang po dito sa industriya, so wala po akong karapatan na pumili. Pero sa Barboys po, I was invited to audition po by director.
Oh, wow!
Honestly, sobrang saya ko nung binigyan ako ng chance kasi ano po talaga ako ng Barboys, yung unang film. Naalala ko yun, it was one of the films na ginamit ko pang preparation ko for my first ever acting project na pagkakala sa grado. Kasi my frat na nandun. Ako kasi, yun din yung ginagawa ko bago sa project. Talagang I tried to research about my role and I stumbled upon Barboys and talagang na-inspire ako doon. So, to be working now with a creator of a film that I really like, it's a dream. So, ayun. That's it. And I guess with mental health, tama po si Therese, I also retreat to my circle, my family, really is my number one talaga. Win or lose, I think, I know na sasaluhin nila ako. And I think you have to find that tribe that you have. And once you find that, I think it'll be a lot easier for you to take risks. So,
Thank you very much. Direkip, pati si Marlene. Sige, ikaw din.
Tinatanong paano doon yung pinili.
Okay. Good evening to each and everyone. Thank you also for being here. Barboys. Matindi ang Barboys sa akin. Hindi ko makakalimutan. That time, I had a chance to be with Miriam Defensor sa isang affair and the late Senator, sino yung namatay natin na Vice?
Ano pagkain?
Anyway, we were together. Oh my God. I watched her as she talked and natatakot ako. Although I have relatives na si fiscal, lawyers, iba pala ng ibang tao. Ano na next sabi ko, Miriam Defensor. Alam mo, first day natin na malakad ako, nanginginig ang binti ko, hindi ko alam kung narating ako sa pupuntahan ko sa kontrolan. Matapang akong babae, pero iba si Miriam, ginanang pala ng ibang tao. Eh kung manatsi-natsi ako at makulong. Kaya na ako na direct. Tama ba? Yun na. Direct amang po. But otherwise, you did a very, very hard job today. I know that in my heart. And I thank you. Up to now,